welcome back to my channel. Now if you've been following me on Instagram, which I've linked below in the description box, you would have seen that I have bought myself something that I've been wanting to buy for a very long time, and that is false eyelashes. Now as I'm growing older, I can see that my lashes are thinning out, and sometimes I feel that the eye makeup doesn't quite stand out without wearing proper false eyelashes. But I was always a little worried about the glue that is used to apply those false lashes, and I was so afraid that when I try to remove the glue, it might take off some of my real lashes as well. I mean, at this stage of my life, I don't want to lose any of my own lashes. So anyhow, I got to know about magnetic eyelashes, and I decided, well, okay, now is the time to try them out. And I bought the N Natural eyelashes. This is the light all day long variant. They do have some heavy ones as well, but I want to try out something light before I went to heavy. But I guess the heavy lashes don't quite go well with ladies who are more mature. So this particular brand of lashes cost me 1,050 rupees. So I said, okay, let's just get on with it and try out something new. So this is the box that these came in, and well, let's try them out. So one set is a bit tapered, so I don't know whether this is supposed to go on the top or the bottom. I guess it's supposed to go on the top. Yeah, because on the inner part of the lashes, they shouldn't look too heavy. The heaviness needs to come on the outer part, one that flares out of your eye. So as you all know, I have never worn false eyelashes before, so I have no clue how to really go about that. But I have watched some YouTube videos, and I thought that okay, let's give it a try. So you are going to be the first set of people who are ever going to see me wear my false eyelashes for the very first time. So I'm going to take off my glasses and excuse any squinting into my hand mirror because I don't see very well without my glasses. So here goes. I'm going to hold these first. Yep. And then take off my glasses. Otherwise I really won't know what is going where. Right, so off come my glasses. And these are like, more blue-black. If you've read Phantom comics, if you still read them, you may notice that Diana, Phantom's wife's hair is usually colored this blue-black color. So this is the kind of color it has. So now let's wish me luck and get on with it. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Oops, it's slipping and sliding off my lashes. Just to let you know that I'm not wearing any makeup. So, in fact, whoopsie daisy. Moment of truth. Okay, they stuck to each other, but they slipped right off my lashes. So we're going to try this again. Okay, I had to go a little off camera for a little moment, but it's kind of there. If you are able to see, they are clamping from both sides of my own lashes. Do you think they're looking like slightly longer and curlier? Well, I just will push them back a little bit so that they don't slip off. I think which is why the YouTube gurus always tell you that apply mascara first and then apply the lashes. I guess the mascara kind of acts as an anchor and prevents the lashes from slipping down. So now I'm going to try and see if I can get the left pair on my eyes as well. My left hand is not my stronger hand, but we'll just have to try it. Alright. Okay, this is a little tougher, especially if you are like me and are not wearing your glasses. So I think next time I wear these beauties, I will have to wear my contact lenses as well. So I will try this. Okay. Well, I did have tiny forceps, but because they are steel, they would have stuck to the magnet and the eyelashes would have never come. Oh, I actually got it better with my left hand. Anyway, so let me push this up further. Yep, this is as far as it will go. So, well, what do you think? Are my eyelashes looking better like this? They are demi lashes, so they kind of cover only from the halfway mark out. I can kind of see the eyelashes from the corners of my eye. It does feel quite light on my lashes. I was wondering if the magnet is going to weigh it down, but it's not so uncomfortable, but I'm not so sure about its staying power. I guess if I just stay it on like this, it will slip off my eyes, but if I'm wearing mascara, then most likely they won't. So what I'll do is, maybe next time I'm getting ready for an occasion, I am going to wear these false lashes, do a test with them and see how long they last, and give you updates on Instagram. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, but that doesn't mean that you don't follow me on YouTube. So like the video, subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I put up a video. I try to be as regular as I can, but there you are. So if you think that I was not doing it the right way, that there is a better way of doing this, don't forget to comment down below. If you found this helpful, useful, well, don't forget to comment down below. I do read all the comments and I will try and get back to you whenever possible. And that being said, I am going to say stay well, stay happy. Bye bye.